Okay. Now let's focus on the 20th and the 30th transaction. It says here, paid the outstanding as at 1/1/2006 by check to Mary with a cash discount of 5%. Let's see how to complete this. So first you need to find what is the opening balance for Mary. The opening balance was 1,200 at the beginning of the year. Then you should see how much you are paying by check and how much would be the discount received from your supplier. So it's simple to calculate. 1,200 is the amount owing at the beginning of the year. Take away, open brackets, 1,200 into 5% is the cash discount. So you calculate 5%, 5 over 100. Therefore, 1,200 take away 60 would give an answer of 1,140. So this is the amount that the firm has paid by check to Mary. And then to calculate the discount received 1,200 into 5%. So 1,200 into 5 over 100, which gives an answer of 60. Now you should know the double entry for this. You debit Mary's account by 1,200 because this is the amount you are supposed to pay to Mary, and you credit the bank by 1,140, and then you credit the discount received account by 60. This 1,140 and 60 gives a total of 1,200. So you're not paying the total amount of 1,200 because the firm has received a cash discount of 60. So the rest will be paid by check, which is worth of 1,140. Now let's see how to post this entry to the ledger. So this will affect Mary's account. The double entry would be Mary's account debit 1,200. So you go to Mary's account and the date was on 20th. Let's go to Mary's account. 21/06 was the day that you made the payment. You had paid by check as well as you have received discounts. So discounts received. Same date for discount received. And the amount of check that you pay would be 1,140. So you debit the bank, you debit the Mary's account, the detail column bank as 1,140. And then the discount received was only 60. So you write here 60. Now you need to perform the double entry for this. You have to credit the bank by 1,140 and credit discount received by 60. So let's move into the general ledger. Under general ledger, bank. Move to the debit side of the bank, credit side of the bank, and you will credit the bank by 1,140. The date would be 21/06, and here you would write Mary TT, and the value which is paid by check is 1,140. Followed by this, you'll move into discount received, same date, same information, and you would enter there as 60. This would be the double entry for check paid to Mary with a cash discount. Okay. Let's look at the second one, the transaction which happened on 30th. So in the question, you can see 30th, paid the outstanding as at 1/1/2006 by check to Alan with a cash discount of 10%. At the beginning, the business owed to Alan was 2,500. So 2,500 is the amount at the beginning of the year the business owed, and then there is a 10% of cash discount. So 2,500 take away, you calculate 10% of 2500, which gives an answer of 250. So 2500 minus 250 would be 2250, which will be paid by check by the business to Alan. And the discount received amount would be 2500 into 10%, which gives 250. Therefore, the double entry would be Alan account debit 2500, bank account credit 2250, discount received account credit 250. Now let's post the entry. We need to go to Alan's account onto the debit side. So let's move into Alan's account. On the debit side, the date is as at 30th 1/06 and payment is made by bank, and also the business received discounts. So discount received. The date would remain the same. Now let's see what is the balance for the bank. It's 2250. So 2250 and discount received would be 250. Now the same as the previous transaction, you move to the general ledger, bank account, date would be 30th 1/06 and you would write here Alan TP and the amount paid by check would be 2250. So you credit it by 2250. And then in the discounts, the date and the information will remain the same. And you would credit the discount by 250. Let's credit it by 250.